Got Karime in the building.
Yay! Get your body done.
Now you gotta say it in Spanish.
Ponte a trabajar en tu cuerpo.
What she said. What do you think about the hike so far? There you go. OG, shout out to Instagram, bro.
Me duelen las piernas.
How do you prepare to hike this Squaw Peak Mountain in 26 minutes?
Never expect anything. Just keep going up.
That's the hardest part. But I'm up here though. She trying to act like she waiting on me, but she ain't. If I don't make it back, you guys, I want you to pay off my credit card debts. Look at Karime. She left me. She ain't a good teammate. I'm tired, man. Y'all gotta help me. Hey, I told you to wait. They need an elevator up here or something.
Hicimos arriba de la montaña.
This is the worst hiking partner you could ever have.
No.
Just so y'all know.
Vente.
How you say pull up in Spanish?
Ven conmigo.
That doesn't say, no, in the slang term. How you say pull
Llégale.
up? Yeah.
Llega.
Yuliagala leg, whatever she said. We out to the